don't think she's gonna get that thrown up either.
No, she's just posing for the picture.
She's like, I saw the flash.
It's a video. I was trying to get her to do something here. Wow, this turned out to be a dud.
Get her, Jake. She got your bone. She took it.
Well, what do I do?
Mommy, get it for me.